Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an autumn look for you, makeup look, and it's going to be more of the browns and everything. The makeup that I'm using is there's not really very many name brands or palettes and stuff, because in South Africa those things are extremely expensive. So I'm just going to be using the ones that I get from a place here called Dis-Chem. So I will show you as I go along. At the moment we are in lockdown. We've got a 21-day lockdown here in South Africa, so we have a lot of time on our hands to do these types of things. Please excuse the sun. It's going behind the cloud and then comes out from behind the cloud, so it goes bright and bright and then darker the whole time because I'm using natural light. So as always, I'm going to start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Color Correcting Primer. It's the green one. And that's just to counteract any red on my face, which I usually have a lot of. The base that I'm going to be using, or the foundation, is just a Signature foundation, which is the cheap shop that we have here, Danish Delight. And I'm using my beauty sponge. I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown foundation stick. It's in the color Alabaster, which is very light color. I'm using that as a what do you call it? Concealer. Yeah, having one of those days. I'm going to be using my it's a Nique cream blusher. I don't know if they still sell it. Looks like this, and the color is Orchid, so it looks that color. Put it on the apples of my cheeks and taking the sponge and just blending it in. I'm then going to be doing the bronzer, which is also just from Signature, and looks like that. The lid came off, and I'm going to be using this sponge, which I put across. And then the foundation stick, this one I got from a Nique. It looks like that, to do the nose contour. Now I'm going to take my blender and I'm going to just blend it in. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Powder setting powder. It's the translucent powder. Looks like that. If you've got a very dry skin, then this is not a good step. I used to not be able to use it this past few times, but my skin seems to have been getting its oiliness back again. I actually think it was dehydrated, but that's now better. Okay, I'm going to use my Fixer spray, face spray. It's just a cheap one. I'm now going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Eyelure and also my eyebrow pencil from a Nique in Teak. I'll take this brush and I brush it through. That's a little trick that I learned when I did the beauty diploma through Shaw, is if you don't want it to be too hard on your skin, then you use this one. What I'll do, guys, is if I've got something that is a name brand or whatever, then I'll just link whatever links I can find, I'll put in the description block below. Okay, this is LA Girl, the smoky one. This is what it looks like. I will be using the light one and then also the browns. And then I'm using this brush, which is from Carla, and it's Eyeshadow 313. This one just to put that dark color under my eye. I'm using the next brown color. I'm going to be using Beauty Treats Modern Matte, and I'm going to use the red color. I'm going to take this sponge and or brush, and I'm just going to lighten some of it. I have from your Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Bling Bling, so it's like a gold color. I'm going to be using that around my eye. And then I've got the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Rosy and Gold. And I'm going to be using that over here. And now I need to use mascara. So I've got the Wet n Wild mascara. It's the duo with the fibers and the mascara. And I use this only on the top eyelashes. So you put this one on first. I'm using this one because I'm not going to put false lashes on. And then I'm just going to also use this just to make sure that it's neat. I don't use it hard though. And now the bottom lines, the bottom lashes I'm going to do with Catrice Glam and Doll in Blackest false lashes. So now I'm going to be taking the Essence Long Lasting Black Fever black eyeliner to do my inner waterline. Can't forget the highlighter, which is from Dodo Girl. It's not really a name brand. Highlighter. Okay, now this one that I'm using is the Avon Glimmer Stick Lip Liner. It's for Red Brick, that color. I'm going to put a little bit of lip gloss on just so that the matte lipstick that I'm going to put on doesn't like go on hard. And then this is also from Signature Matte Stick, and it is in Dark Berry. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you can please give it a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so by clicking the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really also do appreciate. All of my social media will be in the description block below. including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me, and also my Patreon account, which is also where you'll find more content from me. And it's also the best way for you to support me on this channel or on my blog, or to support the channel or the blog, or both, whichever. And then also obviously there's more content there. I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on and your sparkle strong. Goodbye.